Pastime Lake Dairy is a dairy farm with 2,000 plus cows in Riverside, California. Over the past 5 years, one of the manure pits, Pond 3, is completely full with mostly solid manure, about 64,000 cubic yards. And Pond 2, the one next to it, is about 1/3 full as well. On April 5, 2007, Fortune Water Technologies was hired by the owner to start a bio-dredging job on the ponds. A circulation system was established and our products were added to the system. Using only wastewater from washing the cows, liquids was introduced to and accumulated in Pond 2 for about 9 days. Then it was pumped through a circulation pipe to Pond 3 and overflow back to Pond 2. Both circulation pipe and overflow create a waterfall effect during circulation. An agitator is used on Pond 2 continuously, and products were added to the system regularly. A bioreactor is now built up on Pond 2. Through circulation and overflow, the system is working hard in both ponds. A good indicator of microbes working is the bubbles visible throughout the ponds. Our microbes are highly concentrated and specialized to devour and liquefy the waste. 1 gram of a product contains billions of microbes cocktailed to suit individual jobs. Since only biodegradable products were used in our system, there will be no secondary pollution. Our system treats all waste on site, so there's no need for transportation and disposal. Consequently, the cost of system usually is far less than mechanical dredging or other methods, at least 30% less. On May 2nd, a portable agitator was added to Pond 3, while what used to be mostly solid now appears to be semi-liquid. Additionally, offensive odor is greatly reduced. Invisible to naked eye, billions of microbes are working at escalating speed and multiply exponentially. The entire system is now on overdrive. A measuring tool was fashioned using a wooden pole and a piece of ball. Pond 3 is now looking like a lake. A small boat can move freely around the pond. Using the tool, water depth was measured to be over 12 feet, deeper than the pole can reach in many places on Pond 3. In 90 days, our system has turned a pond with solid manure to a lake. In the near future, the owner will be able to use the system as an open sewage treating facility on site, continue to dump all the manure and wastewater without having to dig for more pits. In conclusion, the system on the farm can be applied to treat any solid sludge, whether it's industrial, petroleum, etc., on site without building new expensive sewage plants. This method is safe, fast, effective, and economical. This revolutionary system will replace the prevailing method of using chemicals, expensive equipment, and a huge facility to treat waste and sludge. In 90 days, our system has turned what was used to be mostly solid into mostly liquid.